Tropical update at 9 a.m. PST, November 2nd. Lisa has become a hurricane. Has become better organized with an eye wall. And hurricane hunters found maximum winds near 70 knots. Hurricane force winds only 20 nautical miles across. It's making landfall within the next 12 hours. We can show you the latest satellite image of it. It's about right here. I mean, this is a very small hurricane, about 20 nautical miles across, and hurricane force winds will make landfall in the next 12 hours in Belize. We can show you a radar, which clearly shows the eye moving westward. Let's see. They're showing 75 knots for landfall intensity. Expected to move back in the weekend. Wants to move inland. It's also forecasted to merge back over the Bay of Campeche in about 48 hours. A strong shear should keep it very weak, and it should become a remnant low. So yeah, I mean, it will take a track kind of like this into the Bay of Campeche. We can show you. Let's find the graphic for Lisa. And here's what they think. Into the Bay of Campeche, but no strengthening. This is in line with most of the models. Definitely going to weaken. Well, we got another system called Martin. It's now a hurricane also. Let's take a look at it. It's in the central North Atlantic. It has a well-defined eye. We can show you it. Clearly had a well-defined eye, very well organized. In my opinion, it's probably about 75 knots already. This thing's probably going to become a already decent Cat 2 before becoming extratropical in the next 24 to 36 hours. So yeah, I mean, this thing is very interesting. Becoming extratropical in about 36 hours. I can show you the graphics for it. Forecasted head northeastward, or northeastward, becoming extratropical. It's in line with all the models. Yep. Wow. So now we got another system that will probably form north of DR, Puerto Rico, in about 4 to 5 days. That has 20% chance of development. We are watching it. Here's Martin, 975. Here's Lisa. This is a GFS. Let's go 24. Lisa's inland. Martin's becoming extratropical. 48. 72. Clearly, we start getting this trough at 72 south of Bermuda, north of DR. Let's go 90. But we'll have to watch it. I mean, models hint at something could form, another system could form in the Caribbean, on the southern part of this. 102. Or maybe even a double system, I mean, who knows. Let's look at the ECMWF. Clearly shows activity at 90 hours. CMC. All the models are loading right now, so they're really not totally in. Let's just look at Icon. Let's go 96 hours. Yeah, there's a low north of DR at 96. There's a low in the Bahamas at 120. So in my opinion, I'm going to go with 30% chance of development right now for this system. Well, that is your tropical update.